I think you are already capable of drawing circles, creating circle designs, but I'm going to recall what you have learned in previous years. So, today I'm going to first teach you what is a circle. What is a circle? Circle is the entire curved line of the figure. So, entire curved line is called a circle. Now I'm going to tell you what is inside, what is outside, and what is on the circle. First one inside, and second arrow is on the circle, and next one is outside. That means there are three areas that we have to understand about the circle: inside the circle, on the circle, and also outside the circle. So I'm going to take another example to show you these three areas. Now I'm drawing another circle to show you inside, on, and outside. This is the circle, and I'm writing some letters to show you positions. A is where, B is where, C is where. In this figure, A is where? A is a point. A is a point where? Inside, on, or outside? Inside the circle. A is a point where? Inside. Inside the circle. Then B. B is a point. It is where? B is a point. It is on the line. So we say on the circle. Next one is C. Next one is C. So C is a point. C is a point outside the circle. It is out of that curved line. So it is a point outside the circle. I think you understood this one. So these are the things actually you have to know when you are in grade 6. So I can take another example. A, B, C, D, like that. I am going to mark them. And what are the points that we can see inside? What are the points that we can see outside? And what are the points that we can see on the circle? Inside the circle, the points are A, D, E. On the circle, the points are B and F. B and F. Outside the circle, what are the things that we can see? Z and F can take? No. Z and G. Z and G. So I think you understood what are the things that you have to understand in this lesson. So this is grade 6 circles lesson. I think you understood, and we are going to move to do grade 7. What are the parts of a circle? What are the parts of a circle? Right. Now I'm going to draw a circle. So you can see the middle point. What is the middle point? In a circle, there is a middle point called center. It is not center, it is center. So the middle point is called center. Practice with me. It is center. So from that center to circle, we can draw a line. It is straight. That straight line is called radius. From the center to the circle. From that center to the circle, we take the line, so it's called radius. It is called radius. So the next thing is that diameter. What is this diameter? Diameter means the line which passes through the center. Which passes through the center. It starts on the circle and it finishes at the circle. That long line is called diameter. If I say one example, if radius is 5 centimeters, then diameter is 10 centimeters. So I'll write and show you that again. If radius is 5 centimeter, so the diameter should be 10, double. Right. So if the radius is 2, diameter must be 4. Right. I'll write and give you diameter equals 2 times radius. Diameter equals 2 times radius. Then 2 into radius means 5 centimeters. 2 times 5, 10 centimeters. That's all. So next one, I'm going to name the parts of a circle. How to name? Now you know what are the names of them: diameter, center, and radius. But in the exams, they ask to name diameter, name center, and name radius. What does this mean? Now we'll start to name it. Name. They ask to name. They ask to name the radius and second thing they can ask, name the diameter and name the center. So what is the radius? Name. When you want to name the radius, you have to take the starting point and also finishing point. It begins on O and it finishes at C. It begins on O and it finishes at C. So OC. Starting point and finishing point. OZ. Then diameter. Diameter is, starting point is what then? A and it finishes at B. So AB. It's AB. Can't we change those letters? Can't we write BA? Can, no problem. If you say B is the starting point, then finishing point is A. ABO, BA. Radius also we can write like that. It starts on O, C. Some can say CO. Both are correct. OZ, OCO. The next one, the center. What is the center? Center is the middle point. Is it a line? No, it is not a line. It is just a point. Just a one point. So you have to put O. Just O.